Welcome to our lesson about the ViewMate function. I've got 4 mates applied to my assembly, coincidence 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now I'm going to right-click on the base and select View Mates. A window displaying existing mates relative to this component appears. The window title on the blue bar here is the component name, A1. We can also see that the component has a fixed relation applied to it. Notice that component C has disappeared from the graphic area. When I select a mate, a pop-up toolbar appears with commonly used tools. First, we've got Zoom, Edit Feature, Suppress, and Replace Mate Entities. In the graphic area, we've got a flag here. We've got some tools that let us flip the mate alignment, edit the mate, and suppress the mate. Let's select Edit. Now we can select different mate entities and change the mate type. Let's cancel out of this Property Manager and close the View Mates window. Now let's right-click on Component B and select View Mates again. Notice that Part D has disappeared from the graphic area. The top mate has an extra icon here. It's an arrow that's pointing down. This icon means that this mate is a path to the ground. In other words, this mate restricts components from moving in certain directions. Let's right-click and suppress this mate. As you guessed, I'm now able to move the component. Let's right-click and unsuppress coincident 1. The second mate doesn't show the path to ground icon, and that's because this mate doesn't restrict the movement of this component. And let's close the View Mates dialog window. Let's right-click on Component C, select View Mates. Here we've got a single mate, coincident 4. This shows the path to ground icon as well. Parts A and D have disappeared from the graphic area. And let's close the View Mates window. This concludes our lesson about the View Mates tool.